Luna on the daily chart. We're looking for 𝗪𝗔 support, looking for at the history of this chart, looking for other pullbacks or similar in dollar amount. Going to start to map out my 𝗪𝗔 support, clicking from that pivot high, pivot low, projecting to that new recent high. One more time, pivot high, pivot low, projecting to that new recent high. Next, I use my Fibonacci retracements, clicking from that pivot low to pivot high. We do have a 618 that is in conjunction with the two 𝗪𝗔 support that we just did. Now let's take a quick look at the hourly chart. Price is trading below that 200 moving average, so we got to be patient with this one. We want to make sure there's strength coming back into this chart. Price is going to bounce out of that potential support area, establish a series of higher highs and higher lows, and get up above that 200 moving average. Back on the daily chart, right now there's nothing to do until price really starts to pivot against this area and starts to move to the upside. Price can easily slice through this area. If that happens, nothing to be done. No reason to place a trade if that happens. Wanted to follow up with OMG real quick, simply because we made this recommendation yesterday, so you guys can check out my video on my YouTube channel. Now jumping down here, you can see we had a nice three-price relationship. At the time of my video, I told people to not buy into this until it starts to get up above that 200 moving average on the hourly chart. Now that it's exhibited that strength, now is the right time to go long on OMG, but you still gotta set your stop below that pivot low along with the correct position sizing. Of course, none of this is financial advice. If you'd like to learn how to find high probability setups using Fibonacci analysis, check out my course in the descriptions below. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, subscribe now, hit that notification button. Our first goal is 1,000 subs. We go over cryptocurrencies as well as US equities. Love to hear from you in the comments area, and I'll talk to you soon.